consider acquiring. And you will be immersed with a wide range of detestations and mystery of security and reimbursement modules combined with weighty loan costs that you will evade considering getting in government-issued types of money. In any case, presently you have an answer for sure. The computerized resource world is here to moderate your stresses over getting and loaning. The decentralized money convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related openness and marking obstacles, yet in addition to address your nerve-wracking worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement is given by AAVE, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, loan specialists of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on digital currencies too. The framework goes through no adjustment of instrument versus government-issued types of money. As per AAVE cost forecast, AAVE has made the whole framework generally simple and understandable to an average person, putting his cash-related stresses very still. The AAVE benefit: computerized resource holders profit all benefits of getting and loaning, since the local symbolic AAVE gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like different monetary standards, AAVE also is represented by market feelings and brokers' effective money management designs. The symbolic advantages to financial backers are huge, and AAVE is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of highlights, draw an ever-increasing number of brokers too as time passes. AAVE additionally offers fixed and variable loan fees and permits clients to exchange their preferred money. AAVE, the street ahead. What's in store is very splendid for AAVE, as the corporate has imagined a generous vision for AAVE. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has generally certain signs for AAVE. Notwithstanding, specialists have shown long-haul crypto expectations as exceptionally high that urge financial backers and brokers to feel free to put resources into this digital currency in a light market with certainty, killing the intricacies of the decentralized environment. AAVE has been made with the sole goal of a multi-practical and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. AAVE, the huge potential. AAVE is recorded on different noted trades like Binance, Coinbase, and OKEX. Right from the hour of initiation, AAVE has been performing at a level with development boundaries obviously demonstrating certainty among other cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. AAVE empowers decentralized trades to offer quick and economical exchanges for their clients. Joining with AAVE assists these trades with running on steroids, making them reliable and secure. No big surprise, this decentralized trade drives the eventual fate of computerized resources. AAVE likewise goes about as a loaning and credit scoring stage for traders. The dealers can determine the value and validity of their borrowers, seeing their exchange history, working with loaning of tokens to the people who have a superior potential for success of ideal reimbursement. The brain research of clients assumes a critical part in the crypto market feeling. Costs are extremely delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. AAVE also is no exemption. The dormancy that at first played for AAVE in last year is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and merchants. The downswing that played for AAVE in 2020 vanished in the scenery of its mechanical arrangements. A much of the time and distinctly noticed quality of AAVE is that it has shown the most flighty and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear, nailing down development. In light of our figures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $7.37. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 732.86%. AAVE cost is set to record a decent pinnacle of $189.48, a base cost of $128.84 before the year's over 2022, which it makes certain to scale. The greatest milestone triumph for AAVE cost is that it would cross $1,200, and it will be worth to wager on AAVE in 2022 according to our estimate. As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, AAVE cost will hit $228 toward the finish of 2022 and a similar cost $228 toward the finish of 2023. The next few years will show up as a smooth time for AAVE. As indicated by our AAVE cost expectation 2022, the cost could exchange around $198.52 before the current year's over. The value forecasts of different specialists don't stop the coin from outflanking the opponent coins using any and all means. AAVE People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself. In any case, AAVE will outperform the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers who have found this stage incredibly intelligent and straightforward. The ongoing cost of AAVE waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34. The best tips to put resources into AAVE will be to purchase on plunges, as right now, AAVE is at the pinnacle. Despite the fact that there could be misdirecting treat for us as far as AAVE, similar to some other cryptographic money, it is insightful to hang tight for one more round of up bullish push. Despite the fact that other major crypto monsters appear to be getting web-based entertainment publicity, AAVE will without a doubt consistently show a positive example, continually rising. And the impending years will be one of the most incredible times of AAVE with value expectations of at least $1,200 without a doubt. AAVE Value Forecast 2022. With organizations and unions and local area financing, the market glances back at AAVE to perform, arriving at a typical degree of $181.15, which is very hopeful yet clearly achievable. AAVE Value Expectation 2023. With any progressions engulfed, approaches and guidelines, AAVE Cost may too have its portion of foggy days. AAVE Cost ought to cruise smoothly at $249.73 or max show homage $224.67, making it not fall however play reliable. AAVE Value Expectation 2024. AAVE Cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful development way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. New organizations would carry AAVE convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money, taking AAVE Cost around $241.23. AAVE Value Expectation 2025. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for digital currencies that are opponents of AAVE. The value skyline is really brilliant for AAVE. It doesn't exclusively put money on decentralization. As indicated by our cost forecasts, AAVE could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025. AAVE Value Expectation 2026. Having seen an enormous DApp reception somewhat recently that drove the cost of AAVE. From the start of 2026, AAVE has stamped colossal development. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, however later confronted adjustment and keep on exchanging around $275.96. The token is acquiring notoriety among financial backers, and the AAVE cost is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over. Does AAVE have a future? AAVE is one digital currency that will have a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, AAVE will govern the crypto realm. Thus, for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Is AAVE better than Bitcoin? With regards to exchange speed and expenses, AAVE is without a doubt better compared to Bitcoin. The typical time taken for handling an exchange by AAVE is not really 2.5 seconds, far in front of Bitcoin. Will AAVE Cost reach $1,000? As per some cost expectations, we could see the AAVE Cost might reach $1,000 before the finish of 2021. Financial backers are educated to keep track regarding market development instead of anticipating that the AAVE Cost should rise tomorrow alone. Is AAVE a wise venture? A reasonable level of effort is dependably prudent for AAVE Cost. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any over-euphoric clarifications required, assuming you contribute mindfully.